Hello learners, I am teacher Jonathan. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. In our lesson for today, in grade 4, mathematics activities, we are still on numbers and we will look, or now we order numbers from smallest to the largest. How we order numbers from smallest to the largest. And before we embark to our today's lesson on ordering numbers, I would like us to remind ourselves in our previous lesson. We were learning on how to write and read numbers in words. How to read and write numbers in words. You can remember, John, what we said? Before you read a number in words, make sure you know the place value of that digit, every digit in that number. Make sure you understand the value, place value of that digit, so that now you can interpret in your reading. And in our groups, I would like us now we pair into two. Kindly pair into two. And today I've come with some numbers in our pot here. I've come with some numbers in our pot, our cards, our number cards. I would like us now we pick, in our pairs we pick numbers from our pot here. Just random numbers, 5 of them. The first one that I have here is 237. Make sure you write it down. 238 is the first number. Number 238 is the first number. That is what we have gotten from the pot. The second number, just pick a card, is 214. Just write them the way you picked them. 214. Remember, we are working in pairs. Collaborate, work together, don't do it alone. Pick another number. It is 222. 222. We've said we pick just 5 numbers. We just pick 5 numbers. These are 3. Another number, we pick it is 202. Everybody, you can see it from yourself. 202. Another number, you just arrange them the way you picked them. The other number is 211. Leave the rest. We only needed 5. 211. 211. Those are the numbers that we have picked. Now, in our groups, can we read them together? Because we learned how to read them. We have 238, 214, the third one, 222, the fourth one, 202, and the last one is 211. 211. Now, these numbers, they have been jumbled. 238, as you look, it is the first one that we took. But it seems these numbers are not in the right order. And we would like to work together in our groups and try to bring them together. How will we work in coordination to bring these numbers work together? And before we plan on how to work them together, I have a question. John and your group, yesterday you went to pick mangoes from the tree, and there were no mangoes which were fallen down on the ground. What did you do? John, you climbed up the tree so that you can pick the mangoes. You climbed from down up the tree so that you can pick the mangoes. And you, Victoria, your mom called you yesterday and she was in the first floor. How did you reach to the room where she was calling you? You just went up the stairs all the way to the first floor so that you can meet your mother. Now, we say when you move from down, going up, you are just increasing from small, going up to the highest place. And now, these numbers, they are jumbled. And we would like to start now from the smallest, as the way you start from the first stair, second one, third one, all the way to the first floor. So can we arrange in our groups, work together in your groups and arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest? How will we arrange them? Tom and your group, the first number which you have, the cards, you can start with the cards. Can you arrange the cards? Which is the smallest number in these numbers we have in our cards? And the smallest one you have picked is which one, Tom? 202. So the 202 is the one you've chosen to start. That is good. So we start with 202. The second one, Tom and your group, which other number have you picked? And now you are not the one to answer. Maybe you allow Wangari to answer. The second number is 211. That is very correct. So the 211 will follow 202. The third number, Victoria. Which number comes after 211? The number that comes after 211 is 214. So we'll arrange 214 to follow 211. And the fourth number from John. The fourth number is which one? Now we are remaining with 238 and 222. Which one comes before the other? It is 222. And the last number is 238. Class, you can see from the smallest 202, 211, 214, they are increasing 222, and the last one will be 238. Now we can arrange our numbers here. The first one we have said is 202, 202, 211, 214, 222, and 238. We have started from smallest all the way to the largest. In our groups, can we take our dictionary and we look at the meaning of the word ascending? Ascending order, ascending, you check at the meaning of the word ascending. What is to ascend, or in ascending order? Ascending order is arranging numbers from smallest to the largest. Class, from our dictionary, this is what we've seen. Ascending orders is arranging numbers from smallest to the largest. And from the numbers that we had previously, we arranged them. 202 was the smallest and the largest was 238. That is ascending order. Now in our groups, I would like us again, we come to our fishing pots and look for other numbers. Make sure you pick only 5 numbers from your pot. And the first one we pick in our groups is 181. That is the number we have picked. Jen and your group, can you pick the second number? The second number is 184. Just arrange them the way you pick them. The third number you picked is 171. Just arrange them the way you pick them. And the fourth one in our groups, Tom and your group, 188. And the last one, because I had said we pick only 5, is 176. And you place it. Now, in our groups, can we try and arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest? Ascending order. And we said in an ascending order is you coming from the smallest increasing to the highest, to the largest. Now, in our groups, which is the first number to start? And I'll start with Jen. Jen, I said, is 171. That becomes the first number to start in that order. The second one from Victor. Victor, the second one is 176. That is correct. The third one becomes which one, James? 181. So 181 will be the third one. The fourth one, which will be, Wangari, can you tell us the fourth number? 184. And then the last one is the one that is remaining. That is very correct. We can clap for ourselves. That is how we arrange numbers from the smallest to the largest. And we say we have done it in an ascending order, from the smallest all the way to the largest. Class, we are together. Now I have a task that I want us to do it in our groups. In our groups, we have a task for us to do. And the task I would want us to do is just pick 5 numbers from your pot and try to arrange them in ascending order. I don't know which numbers you'll find there, but you can pick them. And I will write them as you pick, and you tell me the numbers you picked. So the first one you picked is which number? It's 999. So I write 999 is the first number. The second number, it is 199. 199. So that is the second number. 199. The third number is 919. You picked the third number to be 919. The fourth one you've picked is 991. 991. And the last fifth number, 119. That becomes our fifth number. 119 becomes our fifth number. Class, in our groups, can we arrange these numbers in ascending order? And we have said ascending order is from smallest all the way to the largest. So in our groups, what answer have you come up with? What numbers, how have you arranged them? Yes, we'll start with John. John, which is the first number you've arranged from your group? 119 is the first one. The second one, Victoria, you have arranged it. It's 199. The third one, Tom, how have you arranged the third one to be? Which number becomes the third? The number that comes the third is 919. And from you, James, the fourth one, 991. 991. And the last one from John, the last one is 999. And that is correct. We have arranged our numbers from the smallest all the way to the largest. The last and final task for you to do, that was task 1. Now this you'll do on your own. Arrange the following numbers from in an ascending order from smallest to the largest. You may be asked, arrange the following numbers in an ascending order. That means in your mind, it is arranging the numbers from the smallest all the way to the largest. So that one should stick in your mind. When you are told to arrange numbers in an ascending order, simply they have told you or asked you to arrange them from smallest all the way to the largest. And my question number 2 I've asked as a task for us to do. Arrange the following numbers in an ascending order. And the numbers, they are just found inside our pot. So we'll pick them and try to arrange them in our groups. So I put aside these ones and then we pick the numbers that follows here. The first number, it is 516. So the first number you've picked is 516. The second number, it is 213. 213 becomes the second number. The third number, 103. 103. The fourth one, or the next one, it is 830. Correct. 830. The fourth one, we have 712 as the fourth number from our port. 712. And the last final number, this one add more than 5, it is 451. 451. Class, arrange these numbers in an ascending order. And I have a task for us to do, an activity for us to do. Kindly, an activity. When you go home, ask your parents to assist you, come up with many numbers as possible. Try to arrange them from smallest to the largest. From smallest to the largest. And that marks the end of our lesson for today. Have a wonderful time.